Hey, my name is deliverability and I work for Woodpecker. I work for Woodpecker.
And the reply rate and the deliverability rate is...
Email deliverability. I see email deliverability, email deliverability will come.
I think the biggest mistake that I've made is I was not really following what's happening with email deliverability in the market. Okay, muszę to przemyśleć.
For me, successful outbound process aim is at long term, meaning not
More common is perfectly fit content to your ideal user. User.
I mean, it's not about your subscriptions volume, but about the current email. Jeszcze raz.